This is the newest fragrance in my collection. This is Perry Ellis 360 Red Profumo, and they say it smells like a discontinued gem that was hyped up like crazy and everybody wanted, and now you can't get it anymore. So if that is the case, we got a gem right here. So let's find out how close this is. So starting off, here is the packaging. It's a cylinder tube. It has the notes on the back. The notes are lime zest, rosemary, bergamot, red spices, lavender, warm suede, crystallized amber, rich patchouli, and musk. Anybody have any idea what fragrance this is based off of that? No, you are wrong. It is this right here. This is Acqua di Gio Profumo. This is one of the most hyped fragrances by Jeremy Fragrance. He was obsessed with this fragrance. This was made every list. This was his top fragrance. It's that good. It is that good. It gives you that original DNA, but it has this nice incense balance in it that just makes it a little bit more modern, a little bit easier to wear. Perfect for the office. Great classy fragrance. Dress it up, dress it down. Ladies love it. Great option. So, unfortunately, because it's so good, Armani discontinued it, meaning axed it away. You can't buy it anymore. It's gone. They say the new parfum kind of smells like it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't think it smells like it. I think it might be close to this, and therefore that's why everyone says it smells like it, but no. This is way better than the parfum, and it lasts longer than parfum. So to now have a fragrance that they say smells just like it, let's hope it does, because if it does, we finally have Profumo back. So let's find out if 360 Red Profumo smells like Profumo. I sprayed Acqua di Gio right here on the left arm, and I sprayed the Perry Ellis on the right. Let's find out how close they are. Oh, I forget how good this fragrance is. It's just a beautiful mineral aquatic with a nice little bit incense in it. Modern, classy, easy to wear. Ladies are gonna love it. Great date fragrance, great office fragrance. So you can wear it whenever you want. Perfect for the summer. Phenomenal scent. Super glad I haven't bought all that. Does Perry Ellis meet that expectation? Oh, that's good. That's really good. I will say, when you first spray it on my skin, I'm getting more of like a citrus pop. Kind of like a Versace style, like a Pour Homme. That kind of citrus. The second you spray it on, I was like, wow, this is good. Doesn't smell like Profumo, but that's good. And I get a heavier incense. So heavier citrus, heavier incense, smells amazing. Doesn't smell like Profumo. However, once it dries down, that's where the Profumo comes through. And yes, it smells very darn close. I will say the incense is still a little bit heavier in Perry Ellis than the original, which doesn't bother me. I think it actually makes it smell a little bit more interesting, a little bit more like a muskiness to it. It smells really good. Yeah, fresh, clean, perfect for the office, perfect for a date, perfect for the summer. This is good. This is really good. So if anyone's interested in buying a discontinued gem that you can't buy anymore, well, don't you worry. Perry Ellis has you covered with 360 Red Profumo. Check it out.